In a solemn moment, members of the Church of Eternal Sacred Order of Cherubim and Seraphim, Oka Province, gathered to pay tribute to their revered spiritual leader, the late senior apostle Cyril Uzodimma Obi, popularly known as Bishop, as his remains were laid to rest at his compound in Amwesike village, Mgbakwu, Oka North local government area. The late senior apostle Obi, aged 77, was the father of the Edinburgh State President of the National Youth Council of Nigeria, NYCN, Surveyor Emeka Obi. Correspondent Blessing Danis has details.
The funeral ceremony was also attended by members of NYCN, Omodiama kindred, in-laws, friends and well-wishers. He was described as a pillar of strength and compassion, a preacher of God's word, a prophet and a prayer warrior, whom many miracles, signs and testimony were recorded during his ministry and leadership in the church. According to his biography, he joined the Eternal Sacred Order of the Cherubim and Seraphim Church in 1971 as a brother and was a good administrator and a leader who left no stone unturned to grow the church and tolerated no form of mismanagement, leading the church from the old site to the new site at Ameze village, Mgbakwu. During the burial service, Senior Apostle David Onuaha reflected on the life and legacy of late Senior Apostle Obi, reminiscing the profound impact he had on the community and the life he touched. He reminded the congregation of the importance of cherishing the memories of their beloved spiritual leader and continually to uphold the values he exemplified while praying for God to accept his soul. Speaking to ABS, a son of the deceased and also the state president of NYCN, Comrade Obi, spoke of the lessons his father impacted on him, the sacrifice he made, and the unwavering faith that he anchored his life and devotion to God, noting that although his father have departed from the earthly realm, his presence will forever dwell within them and guiding him along life's journey with the light of his enduring love.
An intersection. He has lived a life of his life. He served the Lord faithfully, and I'm not in doubt that he's resting with the Lord. Today we committed him to the Mother Earth with all my friends, council members, both
In an interview, the national chairman of the All Progressive Grand Alliance Party, APGA, Barrister Slide Ezokenwa, prayed for the bereaved family to take solace in God. Late Apostle B left behind 6 children, 12 grandchildren, in-laws, and many relations to mourn his demise. From Amesika village in Mgbakwu, Oka North local government area, Blessing Danis, ABS News.